everybody. I'm Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Today, we're going to talk about a very fascinating debate that's been the subject of discussion among photographers for decades. Do photographers make photos or take photos? Let's explore the philosophical and technical aspects of this topic. When we talk about making photos, we're emphasizing the artistic and creative aspects of photography. Photographers are artists, and through their lenses, they shape the world around them. They carefully compose their shots, considering elements like lighting, composition, and storytelling. In this sense, photography is an art form, and photographers make images that express their vision and emotions. On the other hand, the phrase taking photos focuses on the technical process of photography. Cameras are tools that take images by capturing light and translating it to digital or film format. The technical skills of a photographer, such as understanding exposure, focus, and camera settings, are crucial to creating a well-executed photograph. In reality, photography is a combination of both artistry and technical skills. Skilled photographers use their creative vision to make artistic choices, and at the same time, they rely on technical knowledge to capture those visions effectively. It's a dynamic interaction where the making and the taking aspects mix together to produce a compelling photograph. The debate over making versus taking photos also touches upon the purpose of photography. Some argue that photographers make photos when they are capturing scenes with an artistic intent or a specific message. On the other hand, taking photos might be more associated with documentary or journalistic photography, where the focus is on recording reality as it is. The photographer's intent plays a significant role in how we perceive their work. A photograph taken with a deliberate artistic vision can evoke emotions, tell stories, and spark conversations. On the other hand, candid shots or street photography taken in the moment can capture the raw essence of life, offering an unfiltered glimpse into the world. Ultimately, whether photographers believe they make or take photos might come down to personal beliefs and philosophies. Some photographers might lean more towards the creative process, emphasizing their role as artists. Meanwhile, others might highlight the technical side and view themselves as skilled technicians who capture the world as it unfolds. For instance, a portrait photographer in the studio puts complete control of the photo into the photographer's hands. Composition, lighting, environment, the subject, etc., are all manipulated by the photographer to create exactly what he wants. Whereas in something like a landscape photo, the photographer has much less control of the subject, less control of lighting and the environment, and has to choose what is given to him in regards to composition. A landscape photographer is taking a piece of the environment to photograph. The debate over whether photographers make or take photos is an exciting one, reminding us of the multiple skills and factors that go into creating a photo. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button It really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.